Hey guys, so I'm going to do this video for you so that you can see how to do a hangout and record from your YouTube channel. So Hank published, as you can see, in our Facebook group this list. He also created this blog post that has not yet been published to our website. So you can see it's not there yet, but it will be, and this video will be part of that. So let's see if we can follow along and replicate what he said to do. So he said, go to YouTube and sign in. So you can see here that I've done that. Oops. We are signed in. So that's been done. And then it says, oops, that's the wrong thing. Here we go. It says, next is click your face, the top right-hand corner, and on the drop-down, click My Channel. So we click Face, and there's a bit of a delay because of the recording, just so you know. It doesn't usually take this long. My Channel. And then what? Let's see. Then what? My Channel. Click the blue box that says Creator Studio. So let's let that load. And then here's Creator Studio. So we're going to click that. And next what? Creator Studio. On the left side, click on Live Streaming. I know it says steaming. Streaming. So on the left, I don't see live streaming. Let's see. On the left, click live streaming. So oh, maybe it didn't finish loading. Videos, creator. Oh, here, live streaming. Okay. Is there a drop down that we're supposed to do? Let's see. Live streaming. Click on the events below live streaming. So live streaming. And then events. And then what? You will now see a page that shows your last several videos. On the right side at the top, you will see a tiny box that says plus new live event. Click there. So right hand side, new live event. Click on that. And then this page now says create a new event. Fill in the title, the description, and tags. Need help, you can ask us. Okay, so create a new event. And then we're going to fill in the title. So I'm going to say demo. Hello. Demoing how to do a YouTube live stream. And then description. Description, we're going to put the same thing. Enter. This is going to be, we always want to put website first, so that even if they read nothing else, they read your website and can click on it to get more information. So this is just a, oops, just a demo. Nothing really to see here. And this is actually on a channel that we don't use much anymore. And our tags are demo, YouTube live stream, and then and you should always have a secret tag that I'm not going to put here, but you should have something that someone wouldn't normally just type in just haphazardly, so that identifies this is yours, that you put in every video you do should have that same tag, and then your videos will show up on the right hand side instead of others that have a similar topic. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for now because we're not really doing this. Click the blue box in the upper right hand corner that says go live now. There'll be a box that pops up that says ready to go. Click the blue OK button. A screen will pop up that starts your video. Record your video. So let's see. Click the blue box in the upper right. This one, go live now. Ready to go. You'll enter a Google Hangout on air so you can stream live from your webcam. If you meant to schedule your live event for later, click cancel and edit your event time. So, no, that's fine. Go live now. I don't know what's happening. Huh. So there it is. I didn't see it actually go live though. That's very bizarre. 5:44. Oh, maybe it's this. Start hanging out on air. It is a little slow because of this, so that sometimes makes things a little cumbersome. But now you know how to do it, and it didn't actually go though, which is, oh, maybe it was an internet connection issue. So it's thinking it's having a bit of an internet connection issue. Yeah, see, waiting. So that's the issue. So for the word that internet connection issue, then it would be fine. And that happens sometimes. But now you know how to do it. You can follow along. If you're looking at the blog, then those points will be below this video, and you can do it all yourself. And if you get stuck, then reach out to us. That information will be in the call to action at the very bottom of the blog post. Easiest is info@uloftcreative.com. It's an email, gets right to us, and we can answer you. Okay. I guess that's it for now. That's how to do it, and look at that, less than 10 minutes. Okay, good. Have a great rest of your day. Bye for now.